welcome to the first video in a wardrobe decluttering and organization series for the new season. As you can see behind me, it's a big mess and I really need to sort through it. So for some of you, you have gone into spring and the warmer weather. For myself, I've gone into autumn and the cooler weather. So I just really want to declutter, sort through this mess, put away all of my summer clothes until next year and just make myself a really nice autumn/winter wardrobe. So today's video is also a collaboration with my really good friend Anna. She has also decluttered and organized her wardrobe, so I'll have a link to that in the description. She has done hers the opposite to mine though. She decluttered last week and then yesterday we went shopping for some new items, whereas I've been slowly bringing new items into my wardrobe and then I'm going to declutter. So we're gonna jump back to yesterday.
So this is a little blouse I'm trying to. It's really nice because it's a little bit of a cropped length.
It is, it's really pretty, I like it.
And then I've got my balloony sleeves. This is hilarious. Hi.
Okay, hi.
I like this. What do you think?
I actually really like that.
Imagine like tucked into a skirt too.
I think that would work really well.
Or
really
I could
pretty.
just have it loose over jeans.
See, I like it loose as well. That kind of, you know, balances it out. You've got your tight jeans and a looser
My
top.
boobs are like high, but
they're nice. Looks good. We're in Kukai as well at the moment, by the way, and I'm just coming to get the smaller size and just try that instead. I decided to try one size down and then I tried it on with some boots and it looks amazing. It's like a shimmery gold kind of glitter and I love it and I really think I want it. The music is perfect for that. We're in Glassons now and this is this beautiful coat we found.
okay, I kind of dig it.
It is. It's kind of cool, isn't it?
Raincoat ever.
And I've got a couple of pants I'm gonna try on because I'm after some slim fit pants and I just tried some on in Q and they were terrible. So I need to try these on. Anna's wearing cowboy boots. They're stunning. And I've got myself into some flat little riding boots, which I was actually thinking about last winter. And now that I'm here, I'm like, I think I have to because they're gonna be great for winter.
I owned these in 2014.
Yeah,
Same
so
style.
you've had them for a while.
Yes, they're really good.
But
I thrashed mine. I had to get them.
they're actually beautiful and they're gonna be so good. And I'm like trying to talk myself into them because they weren't on my list, but I do remember last winter being like, I just wish I had a pair of flat boots.
So you gotta do it.
So I'm gonna do it because it'll get to a month's time when it's cold and I'll be like, oh, I wish I had bought those boots. So I'm doing it. I'm doing it. We've just stopped in for lunch. We've had a very successful morning.
And I am so ready to eat.
I know, and I just realized it's like absolutely pouring down with rain out there.
Good day to be inside.
Very good day to be inside shopping, and we just ordered some burgers and we're waiting for our little buzzer and I'm so hungry. Our lunch/breakfast has arrived. This is Anna's lunch. She's got a cheeseburger and
Hashtag health.
yeah, right. We're so healthy. It's okay, we're allowed to treat ourselves. It's fine. So you've got fries and a cheeseburger and I went breakfast style and I have like a breakfast burger and some hash browns, except you had to buy a minimum of 3 hash browns. How silly. I thought they were going to be special fancy hash browns, especially the way they described them, but they're just regular hash browns. I know. So I'm a little disappointed, but it's a hash brown. There's no disappointment really. This is my haul from today. The first thing I will show you actually has nothing to do with my wardrobe and it's these fake flowers here that I got off my brother because I met him in the city. These are the brand Rogue. I got my mum to get these for me from the Yarralumla nursery in Canberra and my brother brought them to me, but these are going to be so fabulous once I finish with my Easter stuff, so I'm really excited about that. They might go on the coffee table here, I don't know. I'm so excited with everything that I got. I got some new riding boots. These are from Merchant and I'm really excited. These were not on my list to get today. I'd forgotten about them, but I remember last winter just really wishing I had a beautiful pair of flat boots, and I know in about a month's time when it's really cold, I'm gonna be so happy with the fact that I purchased them. I have the beautiful gold skirt that I got from Kukai, which is amazing. I have some pants. I have 3 pairs of pants. It's probably too many. I don't own any pants that are not jeans. So I got these 2 really nice pairs of pants from Glassons. Super affordable. I have this green pair because it's really unusual and it's like nothing I have. And then I have a nice black pair. They're really tight and cropped. I also got a pair of black jeans from Just Jeans because my other jeans are cut on the bias and I need to get rid of them. And so then I have these jeans and then these ones that have a rip in them and then that's it. And then this one's a little bit exciting. This is something I've been eyeing off from Kiki K for ages. It's not fashion related, but I'll show you anyway. It is a little travel mug so that I can pop it in my bag and not be using disposable cups when I go to the uni. So I really like it. I think it's cute and I'm excited to take that in my handbag or just make my coffee in the morning and take it with me. As I said before, this is a really big mess. So today I'm gonna go through and show you the plan and the vision for my room and my wardrobe and what I'm going to do with this big mess. Start getting everything sorted into the different categories and then we can start decluttering. This is the corner of my room where I have this clothes rack from Kmart. It's actually starting to fall apart and it's just too big, so I am going to have to get rid of it. But I do really like the idea of a clothes rack because when it's not piled up with clothes like this, it's a very easy way for me to hang up some clothes and sort of get an idea of what's in my wardrobe, my favorite pieces when I'm packing to go traveling. It's extremely helpful. And then of course also for my YouTube videos, Instagram content, all of that as well. So there's multiple uses for a rack for me and I would like one, but I would like one half as wide as this one. I have been looking, I did find one on Urban Outfitters and I did measure it out that it will fit along this wall here with the chest of drawers that I'm DIYing. I am not far off being done. The drawers are done. I've got handles coming and I just have to finish painting the body. So once that's done, I'll be able to put that there and start putting clothes in there as well. I just need to get all of this sorted, categorize all of these clothes, clean it all up, and then finish off my DIY. And hopefully by the end of April, this whole section of my room will look really neat and organized. This is the mess that I made yesterday morning. So because I don't have the chest of drawers, I've had these little dividers from IKEA that have been helping me to keep my room clean. However, I find after about a month or so, everything starts to end up as a bit of a mess, and I just pulled everything out yesterday when I was trying to find a shirt that I thought I'd lost. And so while I can keep this clean for maybe a couple of weeks after I fold everything and put it neatly back in on there, it's not the same as having the drawers. So I'm going to finish the drawers now that I finally have some free weekends and some time to work on it, and we're gonna sort through this, put away the summer clothes, declutter, and just get everything really sorted, because I'm finding, especially up here in this rack, this is mostly party dresses and I really need to declutter because I'm not gonna lie, from the very end to about here is mostly party dresses. There's more dress, there's another one, more at the end, and it's just stuff that I need to declutter but also put away because I probably won't be wearing the summery stuff until next season. And then if we go up just a little bit, it's handbags all just shoved in every which way. I should get some storage bins because I could really utilize this space a lot better than what I'm doing. So that's the plan. This afternoon I'm gonna get in and start folding all of this up, cleaning this up, and then we can start decluttering once everything has been neatly categorized. I've started by just moving some of my shoes over here. These are some of my new ones and some of my most worn shoes. I have a couple of bags just up here. And then what I've decided to do with this rack is put everything that is a new purchase over here. So these are all the things that I got yesterday, over the last couple of weeks when I've done a little bit of shopping. All things for the new season, and then that way it will be separate to all of the old stuff, and then I can work through the old things. So that's the start. I've just got a pile of pants and bottoms and skirts, pajamas, tops that I normally hang up. There's some swimwear and tops that are usually folded down there, dresses, cardigans, things that get hung up, more stuff that needs to get hung up, a bag and a hat, and then I should probably get in and just finish off clearing out of all this and sorting it out. Do you like my little cozy knitted slipper sock things that I got? I got them from Bonds yesterday in Maya. They're so cozy, super comfy, keep my feet warm because I don't really have slippers anymore as the weather cools down. So I just have to go through this section here. There's a couple bags. I still have like a bag from my bag that I bought for uni. Don't know why that's in there, but it's pretty much mostly still organized. All this sort of stuff's in the right spot. It was just starting to pile up, so I'm going to take everything out, put everything back in neatly, and then in a couple days I can actually pull it back out and declutter properly. So bags can come out and go on the top shelf. that's pretty much done. It's a lot neater than what it was. I just have pants and bottoms, tops, pajamas, a few other things in there, but it's a lot neater than what it was, but I just can't live like this anymore, so I just need to get it decluttered and put into those drawers. My wardrobe is absolutely full. I have no spare coat hangers, which is a pretty good sign that I should probably declutter and put away my summer stuff. Like I said, up in this corner, I have a lot of more dressier, fancy dresses that could probably go into some sort of other storage. Not really sure what I'll do with that, but it's all tidied now and all ready for me to start decluttering. This rack looks so much better. As I said, these are all of the new things that I've purchased. I still have some stuff out on my clothes rack. I did a big load of washing today, actually 2 loads of washing. So I do have some more things that can go in here and back into my wardrobe. However, I thought while I'm here I should just mention these pants. So you did see me buy these in a vlog a couple of weeks ago. However, I've gone to wear them multiple times since and they're just not quite right, and I have discovered that I need tighter fitting tailored pants that suit me more. So I still have the tag on the back of them. I'm going to return them. I did purchase these 2 yesterday from Glassons. These are a green pair. I also got them in the black, and these fit so nicely. And then when I was in Forever New, I found a pair of check pants that fit nice and tight just like the Glasson ones. So I'm gonna do a switcheroo. I'm gonna take these ones back to Portman's, get the ones from Forever New while I do another order, because I did return a couple of things I purchased from Forever New the other day. They just didn't fit right, and so I have a little bit of a voucher there for Forever New, so I'm gonna get pants and a couple of skirts, and I think that'll be maybe the last of the few things that I will add to my new collection. In the meantime though, I'm feeling a lot better about having a plan and a vision of where I would like to go, having cleaned everything up. I will be decluttering all of this stuff in a few days. Between now and that video, I will have some other wardrobe organization videos, so I really hope you guys do enjoy this series. Don't forget to check out Anna's video and subscribe to her channel. Link is in the description. Up the top here you can check out my last video. Down the bottom I'll leave a link to another one of my videos, and I will see you in the next one.